A clue!
Yeah, even though it's a hot summer's day, we can still look for clues.
That was a clue!
That's right. When the temperature drops down, it cools down every summer night.
No, a clue!
Oh, you see a clue. Right there. There's a clue on these
Fireworks!
fireworks. Right. Hey, we better write these fireworks down in our handy-dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. So first, I'll use my red crayon. Okay, so fireworks. For fireworks, let's use different colored crayons. First, some red. Then some purple. Some yellow. Some orange. Some pink. Some green. And then blue. There, fireworks.